Welcome to Online Tools Master, your guide to the world's simplest browser tools. Today we're exploring something beautiful, mathematical, and fractabulous, the Hilbert Fractal Generator. Let's dive in. This utility lets you draw custom and colorful Hilbert fractals right in your browser. No downloads, no installs, just fractals, fast. To access the tool, just open your browser and go to www.onlinetools.com/fractal. Here you can find the Hilbert Fractal Generator and other cool fractal tools. With this tool, you can customize the canvas size, set the width and height, the curve color and curve width, the background color, the orientation. Choose the initial direction of the fractal and of course the recursive depth, which controls the complexity. In our first example, we created a fourth-order Hilbert fractal. The settings used were width 500, height 500, depth 4, curve color Paris Daisy, curve width 4, background cardinal pink, padding 15 pixels, and orientation down. After generating, you can simply save your fractal image. Next, we stretched the fractal into a vertical shape. The settings used were width 500, height 800, depth 3, curve color Jackson's purple, curve width 9, background white, padding 20 pixels, and orientation up. After generating, you can simply save your fractal image. For our final example, we cranked up the recursion depth to 6, and the result looks just like a maze. We call it the Hilbert Maze. Settings used: width 800, height 800, depth 6, curve color black, curve width 7, background green, padding 5 pixels, orientation up. After generating, you can simply save your fractal image. Pro tip: try depth 7 and watch the entire space get filled. With just a few clicks, the Hilbert Fractal Generator helps you visualize recursion, space-filling geometry, and creative design, all from your browser. You'll find the link to this tool in the description below, or just visit www.onlinetools.com/fractal and explore it for yourself. Like this video, subscribe to Online Tools Master and leave a comment with your favorite example. We've got more coming, from fractals to image tools and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, and keep exploring.